All right, let's do another one. We want to write an equation of the line. We want to write it in point slope form, and we want to write it in slope intercept form. So it says here, here are the conditions: passing through 7 comma 5 with an x-intercept of -5. So in order for us to write this, given this information, and we want to write it in point slope form, we need to first find the slope. And we want to have two sets of points. Now, how would you write the x-intercept of -5 as an ordered pair? We know that the x-intercept, we have to let y be 0. So here's our second point. So here is x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's plug it into our formula. 0 minus 5 over -5 minus 7. And we have -5 over -12. And we know two negatives would give us a positive. So we have 5/12. Okay, so that's our slope. Now let's write our equation in point slope form. So what I'm going to use, instead of using the first set of points, I'm going to use the second set that we see here. So we're going to write in point slope formula. Here's the formula here, just for review. So we have y minus 0 is equal to 5/12 times x minus -5. That becomes x plus 5. So this is point slope formula. Okay. And instead of saying y minus 0, I would just say y equals to 5/12 times x plus 5. Okay. Now let's write our solution in in slope intercept form. Yes, we're solving for y, but what we're going to do is distribute this 5/12. So we have y equals to 5/12 times x. That would be 5x over 12. And then we have 5/12 times 5. That would give us 25 over 12, because we will multiply the numerator to the numerator. That is 25. And then the 12 times the denominator times the denominator. 12 times the 1, we have 12. So this is in slope intercept form. There we go.